Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oyango chenro mar piny owacho mar miyo jopur mbolea e nengo moyweyo koyango ni piny Kenya dhi yudo keyo mabup mar bag maromo milion 61 e giko ma higani. Kane ochiwo twak mare e alap ma Kericho Green Stadium e kinde dhialo nyasi mar higni 60 mar Mashujaa, Ruto noyango ni sirikal osetero mbolea ma nengone ogonyore e gwenge duto madhi pidho cham ma higani, kendo kwayo jopur mapok ondikore e chenro mar yudo mbolea e nengo mogonyore mondo mi otim kamano.
We are looking forward to a bountiful 44 million bags from the long rain season and 61 million bags overall for both seasons, marking an impressive increase of over 40% in relation to last year. Fertilizer support for the short range crop is now available at National Cereals and Produce Board depots for regions that planned in this season, including central Kenya, eastern and western parts of the country. I urge all unregistered farmers to use this opportunity to register so that they can benefit from the support of fertilizer for all their crops, whether it is tea, coffee, sugarcane, macadamia, avocados, and all the other crops that are engaged with our farmers.